Looking for a reliable roofing and renovation service? Look no further. Welcome to the world of RonOvations, where we excel in transforming your living spaces with our wide array of services. First on our list is our shingle service. Shingles, the outermost layer of your roof, are your home's first line of defense against the elements. Our experts ensure that these shingles are installed correctly, guaranteeing durability and long-lasting protection. Next up, we have the stone-coated metal roofing service. If you're searching for a roof that combines durability with aesthetics, stone-coated metal roofing is your answer. This type of roofing offers a unique blend of longevity and style, making it a popular choice among homeowners. We also cater to both flat and steep roofs. No matter the complexity or size of your roof, our team of experts is equipped to handle it all. Whether you need a new roof or repairs on an existing one, we've got your back. Let's move on to Eaves, Soffits, and Fascia. These are critical elements of your roofing system that help in ventilating your attic, preventing water damage, and enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. Our team ensures their proper installation and maintenance. Next, we offer siding services. Siding not only adds to the beauty of your home, but also acts as a protective barrier against harsh weather. We provide high-quality siding services to revamp the look of your home while offering it superior protection. We also excel in deck services. A well-built deck can transform your backyard into a leisurely haven for family gatherings and barbecues. Our team specializes in designing and constructing decks that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And it doesn't stop there. We also offer attic blown-in insulation services. Proper attic insulation is crucial for maintaining a comfortable temperature in your home and reducing energy costs. Our team ensures your attic is well insulated, keeping your home warm in winter and cool in summer. Not just the exterior, we also take care of your home's interior. Our interior renovation services include drywall and paint, flooring, and kitchen and bathroom renovations. Whether it's a minor paint job or a major kitchen makeover, our team of professionals is skilled in delivering top-notch renovation services that will breathe new life into your home. In summary, RonOvations is your one-stop solution for all your roofing and renovation needs. We offer a range of services from roofing to interior renovations, plus, we provide free, no-obligation estimates. What's more, we're always available for you with our 24-hour emergency service, so why wait? Give RonOvations a call at 647-760-7663 or visit www.ronovations.ca to learn more about our services. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest offerings and insights. With RonOvations, you can rest assured that your home is in good hands.